In this video, I'm going to show you how to add motion to your character. If I wanted my character, this girl, to move after she talks, I would have to look in this area of the screen. So when I move my mouse around, I want you to look right down here. Every area on the screen has an address. You see how the numbers change when I move my mouse? If I want her to start in this spot, that address down below is -504, -49. So I have to tell her at the beginning, I want her motion to go to that number, -504, -49. Now, when I moved my mouse away from this screen, those numbers went away. So I actually wrote down these numbers beside my computer on a little scrap piece of paper because once I move my mouse, they go away. Now let's pretend I have her start there and then I want her to glide over by Mario. The number, look down below, the number over by Mario is 240, -92. So I'm going to go into motion and I'm going to have her glide. Now, I have to decide where I want her to glide. On start, she starts where she is. She talks. I could have her glide right after she talks. Now, I wrote that number down, so it's 240, negative, and the negative key is right next to the 0 on your number line, number pad, -92. And let's say I wanted her to glide back to where she started after that next speech bubble. So I would take another glide again. She starts here, she talks, she moves, she talks. I'm going to put this one right here. And I'm going to put these numbers where she started here so that I have -504, -49. So I now have her starting someplace, moving, and moving back to where she started. When I press play, I should be able to see her move. She's going to talk again, and then she's going to move back. You can add as many different movements that you want into your show. But the trickiest part is using those numbers. Those numbers are called coordinates. The first number is called X, the second number is called Y. You'll learn more about that later in math class. But for right now, you need to know to find those codes. They're in motion. You always want to tell them where to go to at the beginning. And then you use the code glide. Some of you may have noticed if I wanted her to glide slower, I could have changed the amount of seconds. Be sure to save your work.